Hi kids, welcome back to Gazzi's ABCs. Do you know what letter we're going to learn today? Yeah, that's right. We're going to learn the letter G. So, how can we make a G with our bodies? First off, we start to make it look a little bit like the letter C, and we go like this. But we're going to poke this arm out and then bring our leg up like this. So look, I'm the letter G. Can you do this? Awesome work. Do you know what animal begins with the letter G? It's this big guy here. What's he? Yeah, he's a gorilla. So, can you say gorilla with me? Ready? Gorilla. Awesome. So gorilla begins with the letter G and it says G, gorilla. So here we go. G, G, G. Repeat with me. G, G, G. Good job. See, good begins with G as well. Awesome. So we got G, G, G. G, G, G. Gorilla. Gorilla. Look at him. He's so big and strong. So we're going to say big and strong. Okay, let's do it all. Ready? G, G, G. G, G, G. Gorilla, gorilla. Big and strong. Okay, one last time with me. Ready? Yes? 3, 2, 1, go! G, G, G. Go, go, go. Gorilla, gorilla. Big and strong. Awesome work, guys. I'll see you next time on Gazzi's ABCs. Bye!